All right, so here we are with a brand new computer running Windows 11. We're in the recycle bin. I go to empty the trash, and there's no sound, okay? Now, if you want that sound, that classic, throwing away the trash sound here on Windows 11, no problem. We can set that up in just a few seconds. First, hit the Windows key or the Windows button, type in change, system, sounds, and it should pop up for you right here. So change system sounds, click that. This window will come up. It should be on the Sounds tab. Then we want to scroll down until we see File Explorer. Scroll down just a tick more, and right here you'll see Empty Recycle Bin. And you'll notice there is no speaker icon next to it like we have for all of these things here. So all we have to do is select Empty Recycle Bin, come down here to our drop downs where it says Sounds, it says None, click that, and then we'll scroll down to the Windows recycling sound. So let's come down, and right here, Windows recycle. That's the classic sound. We can test it to make sure. That's it. That is that classic sound. All right. So now you see that speaker icon right next to empty recycle bin. That's exactly what we want. Choose apply. Bada bing, bada boom. That is it, folks. Let's just grab some stuff here and I'll delete them. Let's open up the recycle bin and let's see if we have our classic emptying the trash sound. There it is. And by the way, if that is not the sound that you wanted, no problem. Come back here to change system sounds. And maybe you want to change it to a different recycle sound. No problem. I'll select empty recycle bin. So instead of the the default Windows recycle sound, there's also a different recycle sound right there. Test that one. So if you prefer that sound, you can just hit apply and have that be your recycle sound. You could also make it really anything you want. Maybe ta-da, whatever you want. But for me, I like the standard default Windows recycle sound. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff.